Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBPJPY, Pound Japanese Yen for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And if you also trade on other pairs like Gold USD, Euro USD, GBP USD, then do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel. So let's get started. So this is the 4 hour chart of GBPJPY in front of us right now, and the last traded price of GBPJPY is 160.67. This is the last traded price of GBPJPY. As we all know that for last couple of days, GBPJPY or almost every JPY pairs were flying. But right now we can see that GBPJPY is trading in a range here. Okay, range means we have 161.55 at the top standing as resistance, and then we have got 159 on the downside as support. So 161.55 is the resistance for the resistance for GBPJPY, and 159 is acting as a support for the market right now. So market is trading in this range only. Okay, so if market after the market opening, if you see market going up, then yes, definitely you can expect some sort of resistance around 161.55. so as we all know that GBPJPY is a volatile pair, so be careful. If you find GBPJPY around 161.55 level, around 161.55 level, then you can expect selling pressure. Okay, you can expect selling pressure. If you see that yes, selling pressure is there in the market, if you see price is being rejected from above, okay, you see shooting star kind of a pattern, then we can take a sell position as well. Okay, we can take a sell position at the 161.55 level. But if you see that market is very bullish, okay, there is no sign of reversal, then you may also go for buy. But there is a condition, and that is that if you find market crossing or breaking the level of 161.55 level, okay, if you see market breaking the level of 161.55 level, observe the market first and see, because see, to understand false breakout or to save yourself from false breakout, okay, waiting is very essential. Wait for 1 hour, 2 hours and see how the market is reacting, how the market is doing. If you see that yes, GBPJPY is bullish enough, if you see that market is trading comfortably above 161.55 level, okay, then you can consider that resistance has become the new support, and you can go for a buy above 161.55 level if market breaks it. But if you see price reversing from 161.55 level, you can go for a sell position. On the other hand, if you find market coming down to level of 159 level, around 159 level, again observe the market. Okay, observe the market. If you see market is trying to take support around 159 level, market forming hammer kind of a pattern, price is being rejected from below, it will give you the confirmation that yes, buyers are still present in this level and you can go for buy. Okay, but if you see that selling pressure is high enough, market is breaking the support with big red candles, that means that support will not be able to do its work, and you can take a sell position as well. But just make sure that selling pressure is high. It means that see, observation, okay, observation will be very important. Do not take a buy or sell position blindly. Observe the market first. Okay, observe the market first. Try to understand the market psychology, try to understand the market emotion. So these two are levels, these two are the levels important for GBPJPY. And for day traders, I have two more levels. You can see that I have also got two blue lines here. Okay, so for day traders, okay, you can also observe the market around 161.00 to 161.20. Day traders, you can also observe market around this level. If you see strong price rejection, yes, if you see strong price rejection, then only go for selling around this level. But again, I'm saying in comparison to this level and this level is not that reliable. This level is risky. Yes, this level is risky in comparison to the other two levels. So if you see strong price rejection around 161.20, then only take a sell position. Okay, Okay. On the other hand, if you see market bouncing from 159.50 to 159.40, around this level you can go for buy as well. But keep in mind these two levels are from the 15 minutes time frame, so lower time frame means low reliability, so be careful. And my dear friends, whatever you do, follow proper risk management and stop loss, because see, any analysis, any trade setup may go wrong, my analysis may go wrong. So please protect your capital, hard earned money, with proper risk management and stop loss. Bye bye, take care, see you on Monday.